Welcome to this tutorial to learn how to clone a Shopify theme locally. What I'm going to do, we're going to go to internet. We're going to go to the documentation, Shopify theme.dev. All right. And I'm going to click on documentation here and click on themes, create a theme using Liquid. And we're going to build, we are learning Liquid. So we're going to go with this option, building a new theme. If you are working with a client or you want to test some theme, for example, you can go with customizing. I mean, if you want to customize, modify a theme, then you can go with this option here. Just let me open it for you. So, and then you can use these commands here, okay, to pull the theme, okay, using this flag and providing the name of the theme or of the store. All right, so we are not here for that. We're here to learn Liquid, okay, and how to build a website. So I'm gonna click on build a new theme, and what I'm going to do is read on the documentation, just for you to know. Before, when you were cloning a Shopify theme, it was coming with done as a default, but with Shopify upgrade, now the skeleton theme is the default, so it's going to be a bit different with what we have here. If you want my opinion, it is even great for us to learn Liquid, as we don't have to deal with like many CSS code here and there. All right, so about the requirements, we already done all of this. All right, so we have installed already Shopify CLI. If you did not, please refer to the previous video. We already created a Shopify partner account, and we also have created a development store. So we have all of this. So the first command, the first step is to initialize a new theme. So this is the command. So once you do this command, you're gonna clone the skeleton theme locally. All right, so let's go. Let's open the terminal. I will go to the place where I'm keeping all my Shopify project. Okay, I have it inside the project folder, then Shopify, and then front end. All right, so you can put it in the place you have your Shopify project. So the first command is Shopify theme init. So let's do that. Shopify theme init, and is going to ask us to give it a name. So let's say learning dash liquid, or you know what, let's say YouTube learning liquid. Okay, press enter, and it's gonna ask me question, set up AI dev support. I'll select skip, then then we have it. So after the theme is cloned, navigate to the folders. So I will do cd YouTube learning liquid. I press enter, and if I do ls here, we have the files and the folder of our project. So I will open it with VS Code. All right, so, and I will reduce this terminal here and just read quickly. So the second step is to start a local development server, and this is the command. So the first time that you starting a new Shopify theme locally, you have to pass the -- store flag following the name of the store. So where you can find the name of your store, if you go back to your Shopify admin here and you click on view store, this is the easiest way. So you have your name of the store right here. You can copy that, or to be more sure, you can go to the URL just before the myshopify.com. Okay, that's the name of your store. So I'm gonna Control C, copy that. I will open my VS Code. I will open my terminal. I'm gonna go here and new terminal, and the command I believe is Shopify theme dev. We have to pass the -- store, remember, following the name of the store. This is just the first time you are running this theme here. When you come for the second time, you don't have to pass the -- store again. If you're switching in between themes, you have to be passing the -- store following the name of the store. Otherwise, you're going to be making change for some other stores without you knowing. Okay, so I'm gonna press enter. It's going to ask me to provide a password. In my case, it did not, because I was already doing that. But in your case, it's going to ask you to provide a password. So how to find that password? You just have to go to your Shopify admin and click on view your store. All right, my bad, sorry. See store password. You have to click there, and the password is going to be here. I changed mine to 1, so you can either just copy or change it. That's really up to you. So copy the password and just go back to your terminal and paste it there, and you're gonna have the same result just like now. All right, so this, if you press T, is going to open the hot link of your team here. So every change that you're going to make on VS Code is going to be reflected here automatically. All right. And the last thing that we're going to see, it is the team editor. So if you press E, it's going to open a team editor for you. Okay. So every change that you're making here on the team editor. So let's say if I go like here, okay, it's static, all of that. There is not much stuff to add, but yeah, so every change that you're going to make here is going to be saved locally, and you need to be also aware that you have also a customized theme which is like live. So if you make a change here live, it's not going to be reflected locally. So if you want the change that you're making on the live theme to be reflected locally, you have to pull it. Okay, we're gonna see some Shopify commands in the previous videos. All right, so this is not really important for now. We have everything we needed to start to learn Liquid. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye.